Ngayon po ay gagawa po ako ng Caesar salad. Ito po ang aking mga ingredients. Carrots, salted egg, bell pepper and onions, lettuce, tomato, nachos, cucumber, ketchup, mayonnaise. Yan. I-mix lang po natin yan at para may salad na po tayo. Yan po. Maingay ang aking kapitbahay. Sorry po. Yan po. Mayonnaise. I-mix po natin ang ketchup. Black pepper. Ground black pepper. And mix. Yan po ang unang lettuce. Cucumber or pipino. Yan, healthy po yan. Healthy. Then, tomato. Carrots. Bell pepper and onions. Salted egg or maalat, itlog na maalat. Sarap. Then add in the one that we mixed, the ketchup and the mayonnaise, and then we will mix it later. That one is nachos. Yeah. Guys, this is the finished product of my salad, Caesar salad. And then later I will mix it and then ready to eat, ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. See you on my next vlog. Bye. Mamayang.